You can hear the engines. Can you hear it? You hear the engines?
Yeah.
From the, I don't know, the airline name.
Which airline?
What?
Which airline?
It's Mexican Airline. It's from Mexico. Yeah. I don't know how to pronounce. Oh, there's another plane coming in.
United is landing.
Oh, here's some air of the Mexican. Took off. I think that's you. Oh, Alaskan Airlines. I think that one is going to Monterey. I think that's a 730. Yeah, that's not a small one. That's a medium. Oh, there's another plane taking off. There's two. One's landing and the other. They're both landing on separate runway. Oh my god, I can't see it. No, that's British Airways. I think so. No, that one landed, I think. Yeah. That's Delta. Yeah, I can see. Oh wait, you see Canada? Oh, I don't see. Well, I can see Asian Airlines. Oh no, that's JetBlue. Well, I did.
What is this?
A Delta. Oh, Air Canada. Actually, Air Canada. I don't know. That's a private jet. I don't know what airline is that. Well, it might be a small plane airline. No, that's a private jet. Okay. Where is it? Did airline? It looks like JetBlue. Oh, there's another United plane take. Yeah, where is it? I lost it. Okay, alright. Oh, here comes the taxi. Look, that place, United is taking the door around. Yeah, it's gonna re-land. Oh, United's taking off too. Where is it? Oh, there it is. They're on different runways, I think. So landing plane and then taking off. There's JetBlue. It's up in the air. Oh, there's a blue plane. The blue plane.
Oh.
It's the Airbus A330.
This
It's an Airbus A330.
is a race?
I guess. Touchdown. And I don't see it. Okay. Like 20, 25 more minutes until. Well, there's the other United American Airlines. Wait, what time is it? I don't know. All the big